Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to manage your teams within the My Account section. In MessageWhiz, admins and owners can create and manage teams, assign users, and oversee team activities to streamline collaboration. Teams allow you to organize users efficiently, ensuring the correct people in your organization have access to the right conversations, campaigns, and workflows. To create a new team, navigate to the Teams Management section and select Create Team. Enter a team name and description to clarify its purpose. Next, assign a supervisor who will oversee the team's activities. Supervisors have access to their team's campaigns and customer interactions, ensuring smooth operations. Once the team is set up, you can start adding users. Search for a user by name or email and assign them to the team. Users can be part of multiple teams, depending on their role within the organization. For teams that need API access, integration keys allow seamless connectivity between MessageWhiz and external systems. To create an integration key, navigate to the Integration Keys tab, generate a new key, and assign it to the appropriate team. Each key is unique and can be used to authenticate API requests securely. If a key is no longer needed, you can easily revoke or regenerate it to maintain security. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.